Starlight Sunsets fans, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to connect our Predator 2000 inverters to the Jayco J-Flat camper and just make sure that the air conditioner runs and everything's working. You might hear a beeping in the background every now and then. The battery is getting low, so this will charge the battery. I'll let it run for a little while. But what I was going to do is connect the parallel kit so that it will be able to run the AC. Without it, the Predator 2000 doesn't pull enough amps or doesn't put out enough amps for the air conditioner unit on this vehicle or on this camper. So what we'll do is connect one side and then we will connect this side. Show you what I'm doing. They're all color coded. Just plug them in and you have your ground wire here. Oops. So it's Memorial Weekend, and I didn't want to go out with all the other people that's camping and boating and having a good time. So sitting at the house, just making sure everything is ready. And probably Wednesday, we're going to a campsite that's for boondocking, and we will need this generator to run this ACs. So let's see if we can get this thing started. Turn the gas on, turn it over to start. After it gets started, turn it over to run, and then start the other one same way. And you may ask me, why do I have two? During the winter time, I don't have to run the air conditioner, so I only use one. It's a lot quieter, but I also use these around the house for different things. If you watch my other channel, the Arkansas House 501, you'll see me using these for different things as well. Let's get the other one started. Then flip it over. And what we'll do is pull the 30 amp trailer. You have your 30 amp connection. I have an adapter that'll go to a 110 plug that will actually run the camper except for the air conditioner. So we plug this in. Power. Hopefully that'll charge the battery. Hopefully that'll charge the battery as well. So let's go in the camper here and see what happens. Now don't look at the mess because I've been moving from Texas to Arkansas, so I've been using it as a little bit of a trailer as well. A moving trailer. So we need AC. Turn the fan about halfway. Well, that didn't work. So now let's see what's happened. Maybe we trip out here. We trip both. Okay, we tripped both of them because we pulled too many amps for what we were running. Press the reset button. Here. There we go. So I had it on the lowest level that it would run. And you can hear them rev up a little now. I forgot to turn them on to full power. Is what happened. So let's go back in and try this one more time. Let's just turn the fan on to start with. So we got the fan running good. Now let's flip this back over to AC and see what happens. There we go. We'll let this run for a little bit. Make sure that everything's okay. Check our battery. We're full because, or it says we're full because we're running off the generator. And I need to check this freshwater tank. I need a little more water in it before I leave out. So we're gonna let this run for a few minutes. See if it starts cooling down in here. I think what we'll do is put out the, we'll put the awning out. Put a little shade cover on the side of it. As you can see it going down. But this will also let it dry out. Hadn't been out for a while. Let that out all the way, that'll fall down, and we'll get a little more shade. Wind's not blowing today so that we can do this, and we'll see how loud these are now. They are fairly loud, but with the air conditioner going inside, I couldn't hear them. So yeah, it's gonna probably not be the best thing for people around me if anybody's camped out, but where I'm going, I think I'm going to be the only camper there, so it doesn't really matter. I'm only going to run them during the daytime if I need it. I'll have the windows open, the fan running, stuff like that. Runs off the battery. So we'll let this run for a little while. And get the battery charged up, and we'll kind of go from there where we're going next. Well, thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and like button. Leave some comments below if you have any questions or comments about the generators running. It's been running for about 15 minutes now, and everything's cooled down. The generators are still going strong. Whenever the air conditioner, the compressor shut off, one of them went down to low, and then whenever it kicked back on, it came back up. So we will see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.